when we were fitting this out and looking for furniture, we really wanted something that provided an environment that supported a smooth transition from early childhood into primary school. We wanted a place where children could just feel at home. We wanted things that were movable, flexible, and furniture that children could access really easily. We wanted an environment where everything was really visible to the children. We wanted furniture that was hard wearing and quality, and we also wanted something that kept with our environment a really natural colour. We chose Learning Spaces Global because of their quality product, but we also chose them for their ability to help us source this and tell us what we actually needed. We had no idea what we were going to put in here. We are new to this ourselves. We've never built a school. They came along, they provided support. After hours, they came in and they set this all up for us. They also were really available on the phone. If we needed help, they just contacted us straight away. The fit out, well, as you can probably see, it's exceeded our expectations. Every person who's walked through here has just been mind-blowing. Jealous is probably a word I'd use from other staff members who have come through, from other schools that have come through. Our parent community has just gone wow, and our students have just loved it. It's just been probably the best environment to be working in and to be a part of. I would highly recommend LSG to fit out a junior area of the school. Just their expertise and the support of the other companies that we've used, that they've guided us towards for resourcing, their additional knowledge of what we could use or other things that we could bring in was highly valued. So yeah, definitely recommend them to come in and fit out a new school.